Hello everyone, today let's make pineapple pachadi. This is one of my favorites in Sadhya. If you've never made this before, don't worry, this is an incredibly easy recipe. Even if you have, let me show you how to make the creamiest pineapple pachadi ever. So without further ado, let's get cooking. I have about 400 grams of pineapple cleaned and chopped, some salt to taste, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder and half a teaspoon of chilli powder. Add the chopped pineapple into a pan and add salt to taste. Add the turmeric powder followed by chilli powder and a splash of water. Give this a good mix and close and cook until the pineapple is fully cooked through. I'm adding one green chili slit into this for that slight kick, which I forgot to do earlier, so I'm adding it right now. Then in a blender, add about half a cup of grated coconut along with half a teaspoon of cumin seeds. Give it a blitz and then add some water and grind it into a smooth paste-like consistency. Now if you want your pineapple pachadi to be super creamy, you could add about 2 to 3 cashew nuts soaked in water and blend them all together. That definitely will make your pineapple pachadi super creamy. Then check on your pineapple. You can see how the water has completely evaporated because we don't want any water left in the pan, otherwise that's going to make the pachadi a little runny. Check if the pineapple has been cooked. That looks perfect. Give it a good mix and now add in the paste you ground earlier. Do not rinse off the blender and use that water because that's going to be a lot. Here I'm adding just a dash of water. Give this a good mix and bring this to a boil and close and cook this for about 10 minutes. Once that's done, just to make sure my pineapple pachadi is sweet enough, I am adding a small chunk of jaggery in it. Now give this a good mix and make sure it has completely melted. Once that's done, put off the fire and let it cool completely. While that's happening, let's add about half a cup of curd in the blender and give it a quick blitz and pour that into the pineapple pachadi. We have to make sure the heat is off at this time because we don't want to heat the curd. Now give this a good smooth mix and like I always say, let this sit for a bit. While that sits, in a small pan, let's add some coconut oil, splutter some mustard seeds, dry red chilies and curry leaves as well. Now I am adding half a teaspoon of chili powder into it just to make sure it gives a good rich orangish color. Pour that into your pineapple pachadi. And there you have it. This creamy, saucy pineapple pachadi is ready. Like I said earlier, you could add 2 to 3 cashew nuts soaked in water and grind it along with your coconut to make it super creamy. But I have not used any because this looks just as good. Let this sit for a bit. You will notice that it thickens and ends up having a more rich color. Try this recipe for the sadhya or just to please yourself. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.